The CPAP cleaning machine that's portable, it's tiny, it's perfect for travel. It's called the Purify O3. I want to share everything about it. We're going to start with unboxing it, and then we're going to go through everything about it step by step so that you'll see how cool this little CPAP cleaning machine actually is. So it is called the Purify O3. It's not been out on the market a very long time, although you may see some others that look very similar out there in the market. But let me share something with you. If you see one that looks like this but does not say Purify O3 on it, then you're going to want to be cautious about it, because there are some knockoffs that won't provide a warranty. They may not give you the carrying case that you need. They may not give you the adapter, etc., etc. This one right here is the real deal. This is the one you want. So it's called the Purify O3. So let's jump right in. My name, by the way, is Chris with AffinityHM.com, and I want to check this out. So first off, here's the user manual. Then obviously you're going to want to go through the user manual. There are some warnings in here that you want to check out, and make sure you abide by that. Oh, nice. They say thank you. And then you also have in here the little carrying case, which actually serves more of a purpose beyond just a carrying case. This case is actually used in the process of cleaning your CPAP mask. So we'll get back to that in a minute. Here is the all-important adapter. If you need it, you need it, and I'll share about that with you as well. And so right here in the box, we also have the little charging cable, and here it is, the magic Purify O3. Tiny little machine. You see, it just fits in the palm of your hand. So let me get this box out of the way. This machine actually generates ozone. So ozone, as we have learned, is actually able to kill about 99.9% of all mold and bacteria, etc. It just can't live in an environment of ozone. So what we're going to do is create an ozone environment for the CPAP mask. So what you would want to do whenever you're ready to use this is, first of all, of course, you need to charge it. Here's where the charging cable will connect. Obviously, if you know how to charge a cell phone, you know how to use these two little pieces of equipment. Get that plugged into the wall, and then plug in the device like so, and just let it charge. It'll take it approximately somewhere around 2 hours to charge. There will be a red light right here as the unit is charging. That will be red. Once it's completely charged, that light will turn green. And there's only really just the charging light on here, and then the actual working light which says on. So the operation of the unit is super simple. Just get it charged up. After a couple of hours, you'll have a green light there. And once the unit is charged up, you simply do no more than just take your CPAP mask and just expand this bag here. You would place your CPAP mask into the bag, put the Purify O3 unit into the bag, hold down the on-off button, it beeps. Then you would just zip the bag up. The bag is made of a special lining, so it protects everything and keeps the ozone within the bag. And so now this unit is going to actually create ozone within that bag for about 30 minutes. Then after 30 minutes, it's going to go through a second cycle for about 5 minutes. And the 5 minutes, what it's doing is just kind of helping to get rid of the ozone that's within the bag. So after about 35 minutes, you have a clean CPAP mask. So I'm going to go ahead and not wait 35 minutes. I know you don't want to watch a video that's that long. I'm going to hold that button down, stop the cycle. So that's everything about the Purify O3, a wonderful little machine. I hope you have a great day. Bye-bye.